Yes, sir.
Finding only 36, 7 are there. That and out of that only I will be there. That means 36 are there. What about other students? Or they don't know timing of that or schedule of your today's timetable. I think the CC has put the timetable on group. Is it or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So today whole day practical sessions. In the morning, I think you are finished with the DDH practicals, and today we have installed the MCA, and at last you have the DSP practicals 3 onwards, 3:45. I think. Hmm? One more time, you can put the message immediately. Screen visible to all? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today you have the first practical, I think. So preparing the practicals on the, we require the Keil software. And if we talk about the practicals, we have to perform the at least how many are 8 or 10, minimum 10 practicals out of the 15 we have to finish. Okay. So we'll talk about, we have the assembly as well as the C level language programming. So I will brief in the small what is exactly assembly level and what is exactly C language. So in case of assembly language, we have to use the specific syntax we have, and with the help of the syntax, it's simply with the help of the instructions, we can write the code for the 8051 and to perform the various operations. That is called as a assembly level language. That is called as a low level language actually. And whereas in the C, we have to use the specific C syntaxes, and we have to write the code for that with the help of the different 8051 header files. So we can perform that operation also using the C language, that is called as a higher level language. Both the languages, assembly as well as C, we require the debugger tools, compilers. In case of C language, we require the compiler which will convert that high language into the machine level language, that is a binary format always. Okay, and whereas in the case of assembly, we require the assembler. So function of assembler is to convert that assembly language into the machine level. If we talk about any controller, it understands only for logical data, means only 1-0 format, either 0 or either 1. That is called as a binary. So process is there how to when you write the code for that, the hex file of that code is going to be downloaded from the software, and that hex file is going to be burned into the that IC. Burning means the process is there. We are putting the hex file into the ROM memory of the 8051. Then that controller perform the what is the operation we are writing the code for that with the help of the hardware. Same thing we can perform with the help of the software also. So we have the software called as a Keil software. So I will let you people to how to install, how to do the operation. I will tell that part also. So don't worry about that. Okay. So we'll take the list of practicals, what the practicals are there first, and then we'll go with the how the practicals will be done. So write down list of the practicals. List of the practicals. So we may feel it is difficult, but things are very, very easy. We'll perform it. Write down. First practical is based on the performing the arithmetic and the logical operation. Means we can perform the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division with the help of this practical, and also logical operation that is called as ANI, ORing, XORing, NORing, all these operations. Take it, everyone. Is it visible to all? List?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You take it, I will explain simultaneously. Secondly, practical is the interfacing the switches, LEDs, and buzzer. So we can interface means what? We can connect the externally. One of the ports are there. 4 ports are there. To any pin, we can connect the either switch, either LED or buzzer, and we can make it on off for certain time delay. That also can be done with the help of our software also. Third experiment, interfacing of matrix keyboard. So we see that doing the projects, we have the keyboards, that is pressing the number 1 2 3 4 to 1 to 9 numbers including 0 and some special character star hash. Okay, by putting the lock on all these things, that number also can be interfaced keyboard, and that when I press the one button, that one button will be display on the through the LCD also can check that, or also in the CPU also we can check that value is coming or not. Okay. Then fourth is interfacing of L3 display. This is output device. So output device, the function of L3, everyone knows that liquid crystal display. So what is the message and notices are there? All we can display on that LCD. So that interfacing also can be done. Then we have a second interfacing of the AC0808 to generation various waveforms. Okay. So if we talk about the control function is input we're kicking digital data always. Okay. And output of control also, output of if you observe the 4 ports are there, and the data on each port pin always going to be digital. Okay. So if you require the stereo any signal, maybe stereo, sine wave, triangular wave, these signals are going to be analog one. So we need the additional device that is called as a digital to analog converter. So in case of 8051, we don't have the on-chip DSC, but in case of higher controllers, P actually connection was lost. That's why I was disconnected. Is it visible? Is it visible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So I was discussing about the interfacing DAC, that is digital to analog converter with the controller, and why we need. I told the reason of that. Output of controller digital, but we require the output in case of analog format. That's why. Then 6 expert is going to be interfacing of ADC 0809. Simple example. Anywhere we can see that nowadays, because of pandemic situation, we are sensing the temperature of the person, human body temperature. Okay. So always we have the analog sensors, might be IR sensor, maybe the LM35. Okay, so the output of the sensor is going to be analog, means what? We have the continuous signals. So we need to interface with the controller. We need to have the ADC to convert the analog into the digital format. That's why we need the ADC to interface with the controllers. Whenever on chips are there, that pins are available to interface directly. But in case of 8051, we don't have the on chip ADC and DAC. We need to interface externally. Then to perform the timer operations using for different time delays, that is very easy. We will perform that also. Then use of the counter also, that is next experiment. Interfacing stepper motor, as I said that when entering in any malls, okay, based on the IR sensor, automatic doors are going to be opens. Okay, so that we feel that like magic. Okay, what is funda behind that? We have the IR sensor. When the person is coming at near distance, automatically sense sensor that presence of something present in the sensor is there, and based on that it opens automatically the door. How it opens? Because at the below door we have the that conveyor system, and that conveyor system will be running through the stepper motor, and the stepper motor runs means what? The door going to be opens automatically. After some time delay, it closes automatically. That is required for the interface in the motors, all these things. Then speed control of DC motor using the PWM. So if you talk about PWM, you might learn in the AC first time analog communication, pulse width modulation. There is a variation of the pulse speed, and based on that we can increase or decrease the speed of the DC motor, and that things are required in the industrial assembly line automation. Okay, if you observe the any food factory industries, if you observe the discrete channels, previously it was there. So how the food processings are going with that place, and food packets are coming on the conveyor, and we need to control the speed of that conveyor, and we can control with the help of the this PWM, speed control by using the DC motors. Then use of the ADC of a PIC microcontroller, that is next experiment. Then use of interrupts and its application from the PIC controller. And second last, we have the serial communication, and based on any project we can build with the microcontroller. So these are the list of practicals we have to perform in the 8051. Out of that we have only 10, 15 out of that 10 can be performed, and maximum can be done with the help of the simulation software. We will perform that also. And using assembly as well as C, some of the practicals will go 50%. They are given that 4 hours the minimum from the C language. We will perform 50-50, no issue in that. Have you taken the list? This everyone? Hello. List लिहून घेतली का सर्वांनी? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sure. So based on that, we'll go with the next, performing the first practical. But let us see that how to do the practical of this thing. So before that practical, we have not done with the instruction set all this thing. So rather than going in the class as I said, we'll take here only instruction set, and then it is easy for us to write the code and all this thing. Okay. So we'll go with that part first, and then we'll go with the first practical. Okay. So you can write in the notebook. So as I'm taking here also, it will not take too much time in the class. So we'll go to overview only. So here we'll take some of the instruction and all this thing here. So it is our time will be saved in the classes. Okay. So write down next point in the curriculum syllabus. Otherwise we'll keep in the from the back last page of the notebook also. You can write no issue in that. Instruction set of 8051. So there are total different 5 types of instructions are there in the 8051. That is called as first data transfer. That means simple data can be shifted from one register to the other register. That is called as a data transfer or data movement instructions. Are you taking this? Hello.
Yes.
Please take down. We have to write down this and then we'll perform some instruction and then we'll go for the practicals. That will be easy for understanding. First, data transfer instruction. Meaning is that data transfer means what? Any 8-bit data can be transferred between accumulator CPU to register banks R0 to R7. These registers are there available. Second, arithmetic instructions. Arithmetic means what? We know that to perform the addition, to perform subtraction, to perform multiplication, division, with the help of the carry, without carry, rotation of the data, without using the division operations. All these things we can perform using the arithmetic instructions. Then we have the third category, logical instruction. Logical means what? A result will not be there, but data will be shifting. Either it is left side, right side. We can perform the ending operation. We can perform the OR operation or XORing operation. That will be the logical things, logical instructions. Then we have the Boolean and the manipulation instructions. Boolean means what? Either we can operate on the 1-0 format. That is called as the bit manipulation also. Means on a single bit, I can perform the, we can operate with the help of the instruction by using the Boolean or the bit manipulation instructions. And the last we have the category called as program branching. Branching means what? So we have to jump from one point to the other point directly. So meaning is that from one memory location, I can go to directly other memory location with the help of this jump instruction, and that thing we required in the some of the practicals. That also I'll show it here. So that is called as edge jump, long jump, small jump. So these things can be used here. You feel that it is a little bit difficult, but once we go to instruction, it will be very, very easy. Have you taken these types? Hello. Have you taken these types? So we'll go with the first down data transfer instructions. That is called the data movement instructions. Is it visible to all? Hello. First category, write down data transfer instruction. Okay, now don't write anything, just listen. Data transfer means what? So in your brain or mind, you can just imagine that you will take the, we are performing the 2-bit additions. Okay, I can say number 2 and number 3. You are performing the addition. So how you are understanding that number 2 and 3 is there and you're making the addition? Okay, because the brain acts as our memory, strong memory, and it has infinite number of registers. Okay, the same way in the controller. Control means what is a device which has the memory, all these things, like simple human being, but we have to write the code. We need to interface the input devices, we need to interface the output devices. Same like a human being. If you talk about, we have the hands and the legs, it's like eyes are there, nose is there, ear is there. All this kind of, I can say it is going to be input sensors can be acted as. The hand and the legs can be acted as the both, either input or it can be output. I mean, IO devices, I can say that. Okay. The same way as we are processing the data in our brain, means I'm taking the number 3, then I'm taking the second number 2, and we know that I want to make the addition. Then I'm using the add operation in our mind, as we learn from your childhood how to make the addition. Okay, and the result is going to be what? 2 plus 3, 5 I'm getting. I'm storing the 5 somewhere in the brain. Okay, the same way the control need to have the various registers, and that registers are storing in the memory, as we've seen in the last lecture also. Data memory, that is RAM construction. We have the various register banks, bank 0 to bank 4, bank 3. Along with it has various registers in that, and in that register we can store the data. So that RAM is called as the data memory. Now understand just what we have to transfer the data from. Just I have to take the data. How to take the data in the certain registers in our brain? We can take directly, but in the controller we have certain command. We have certain instruction that is called as a first move. What is the meaning of move? Move means what? There's a movement, transfer, change. That is meaning of that. Now how it indicates move? The a comma hash data. Hash means what? It indicates the immediate addressing. We have to see addressing modes also. Depends upon this is called as source destination operand, and this is called as source operand. So data always going from the right to the left side. Means what is this data available here? It goes in the A registers. That is meaning of move. Move means what? We have the very easy. If I take certain one blank sheet here, so I will indicate here. We will understand easily. So what I'm writing here, move. So normally we have the operand 1, comma, operand 2. So meaning is that what? This is called as a destination. Destination what? Where data should be go. Moment. I'm transfer point to other point. Okay, and this is called as a source operand. Source means what? From where I'm taking that data. That is called as source, and this is called as a destination. Okay, and this is called as the mnemonics. Mnemonics is what? MNEMONICS. Mnemonics means what? The action word. What the controller want to perform. It depends upon the this command or this instruction that is understood by the controller, because controller has the all these mnemonics have the opcode values, and that opcode values are going to be stored in the ROM memory of the controller. Okay, based on that you understand that move means what? I'm taking the data from the operand 2 to the operand 1. Okay, so here we have three terminology. One is called as a mnemonics. So mnemonics means what? It is action word which indicates that what is required to perform by the controller. Now here in this case we have the move. Move means what? It will shift the data from operand, source operand to the destination operand. That is meaning of move instruction. So we'll go to the example move here R1 comma R2. What is meaning of this now? Hello. Hello. What does it mean by? Hello. My voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm asking here now, once we perform this instruction, move R1 comma R2, what will get? Capital आपल्याला R1 is equal to always the contents of or data of the R2 register. Means what is available in the R2 register will be shifted into the R1 register. That is meaning of the first instruction, that is called as a data movement instruction. Is it clear? कळलं का पहिल्यांदा? Hello. Have you understood this first instruction?
Yes, sir.
Write down below that. In the data movement instruction, write down first. The word we can write that first word is called as mnemonics. Mnemonics means what? Action or command. Action or command performed by the controller. Then OP1, OP2, both are same. I can say OP1 will be destination register or operand. OP2 source operand. So first write down this, move OP1, OP2, and below that you write this, so you'll understand meaning of that, and then we'll write the example. Write down mnemonics is action or command required to perform by the controller. It is mnemonics means it is a task or action or command required to perform by controller. Means simply it is pointing what to do by the CPU. That is meaning of the mnemonics. Now OP1, OP2 written. OP1 means what? It is operand. Operand means what? It is a destination. Means after taking the action, what is the result? Where to go? Okay, that is called a destination. So destination will go in the this here. That is in the OP1. Same way. So from here I'm taking the data movement. I'm moving the data. So from the source operand, I'm moving the data. That is OP2 is called as a source operand. Over this, mnemonics OP1, OP2. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So after that, I don't example. Which example? This. Move R1, R2. So R1 act as a destination operand and R2 act as what? Source operand. So what is the content available in the R2 register? It will shift into the R1 register. Over. After this, I take an example. This example. I write the example below. This is one, I can say. This is called as command. So this we can write this line like this. This is called as command. We are entering in that software. So from this we can understand. We can give space also here. This is actually instruction move R1, R2 means the R2 contains source operand. We are taking into the shifting, moving the data from R2 to the simple R1. That is meaning of this instruction. So when you write this code in the assembly, it will perform such action like this. I think it is clear, better we clear now. Second, you tell it's easy for you. We're going for the second example. Now you tell it's easy. R1, hash 02. So also we can write H also. H indicates the hexadecimal number. If right here, doesn't matter. If not right, it will take by default hexadecimal. Chalo, we'll tell here meaning of this instruction. I'll put comment here. Full tail. Hello. My voice is audible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
हा चलो कोण सांगते मग आता ह्या मिनिंग काय होईल काय यामध्ये कोण वाचते मग सांगा वाचून कळते का पहिल्यांदा काय सेकंड इंस्ट्रक्शन एक्झाम्पल मूव r1 #02 so meaning काय आहे now here then coming the register here the data is coming here now directly so hash indicates that it is a immediate addressing mode okay in that case we can take the directly data here so meaning is that this data 02 will be shifted into the r1 registers so r1 get directly 02 data value means how to take the data inside the registers we have to use the this instruction is it clear now कळले आता hello hello have you understood this
Yes, sir.
take this fast everyone then now I'll tell example take the data into the r3 registers and value will be 5 कोण घेते सांगा मला चला instruction सांगा मला so r3 will become value 7 7 ही व्हॅल्यू r3 मध्ये घ्यायची काय करावं लागेल मला कोण सांगताय मूव तर असणार आहे बाय डिफॉल्ट कारण डेटा मला शिफ्ट करायचा आहे सो मूव काय असेल मग सोर्स इथं डेस्टिनेशन काय असेल r3 कॉमा हॅश यू कॅन गिव्ह स्पेस ऑर डझंट मॅटर hash 07 07 means why 507 I'm taking here because it's the 8-bit numbers that will perform r3 becomes r3 will get the value 07 data clear is it clear Mahesh Vaishnavi जानवी रिप्लाय करता का नाही का झोपले सगळे लंच घेतात आय थिंक लंच ब्रेक इज ओव्हर आय थिंक एज पर माय नॉलेज
येस सर येस
कळले का तीन इंस्ट्रक्शन आताच्या घेतलेला आपण
येस
okay so I'll not much trouble you will perform the in the Keil software will easily understand and then we'll go for the some programs in that so one more I will write here now I want to perform the addition so how to perform addition we have to use the instruction add okay add is a numerics word we have to use it and what I have to make addition of the data which data r1 contains and the r3 contains so I'll make this so I need to take always addition accumulator here so this data rather than I will take here accumulator so I'll say it's a means accumulator so you will get the 2 so directly I can write here a comma r3 so that will make comments a always result will store in the accumulator itself so a plus previous value by default 0 is there so a plus r3 so what is in a contains I have the data value 2 so this will be 2 plus so I can write 0 to also no matter plus what is the value next r3 मध्ये काय आहे 07 आहे 07 what is the answer कोण सांगताय 2 plus 7 9 so in the accumulator we'll get the 9 value so need is what we have to understand the instruction set and then we'll go for the writing the code okay so if you see here we have the different data movement instructions are there so simply as I said that what move a comma hash data we have taken that value move a comma 02 so move a comma any value you can take it register value rn means what r0 r1 r2 r3 r4 r5 r7 any value can be taken and what is the operation on that a will get the value of the rn okay and then sometimes this move will common to all So move a comma direct means I can take the direct memory address here in the accumulator registers. Okay, so these are the various instruction can be used. Okay, along with this we have the to take the data externally from the memory location. Move c comma that instruction a comma at the rate a plus dptr. Okay, so we'll go with exactly that time. We'll understand that. Okay, and then we have the next set is called as a arithmetic instructions as it written here. Okay, so all the arithmetic operation can be performed with the help of what? Source must be accumulator, and destination must be accumulator, and the source can be any register, any data value that will be there. We need to have the accumulator at the destination, and then source can be any register value, data value, that may be indirect or direct addressing. So I will show it how to install the software. So I have the KL3 setup. Just go on that. This thing is there in Google Drive. It is there uploaded in that MCA book. Okay, so we can directly go from that. We can upload if I show here also. So this is my MCA folder. I have taken from that only. Have you visited that Google Drive folder MCA study material? बघितलंय का सर्वांनी? तर दिसते बरं का मला कोण कोणी विजिट केलंय कोणी केलं नाहीये. हॅलो महेश.
Yes, sir.
केलं नाही विजिट केलं का नाही गुगल ड्राईव्हला?
होय sir.
So you can see here in the Google Drive MCA folder we have all the setup. So this is setup for us KL3 setup. So I taken that only here. Okay. आपल्याला तर जायचं नाही आता. मी डाउनलोड केलेलं आहे. I downloaded that part. So just in that folder KL setup software will get its exe file. Just double click on that. It will start installing. Okay. So I'm installing here now to show you people. So everybody, what is there in laptop, all this thing, and some apps are also there. They're using the Android mobile phone, so you can download that. Okay. So say yes. Wait for the next. Just putting the next. No issue in that. So just agreement is there. License copy. We have to say yes. Agree for the things. Then put next. Period to download and period to install. That is C folder. I want KL software. No issue. Just give the names HKB. You can give any name, doesn't matter. Components very email address required. I'll put my mail ID HK Baldar. Okay, not name is sufficient. It's not required mail also. Just start installation. Very easy. It requires only hardly 3 to 4 minutes to install that. Once installed, we'll open that KL software, will perform the programs, what instructions we have seen just now, will perform it. Have you got it how to download and install the software? Because I just checked now, yesterday only I given one project task, project group mine. They don't know how to install the software from the net itself, how to download that and how to install that. They are called yesterday, then I told them. Thing is that we have to prepare something additionally, then only it will be okay. हे कळलं सर्वांना कसं डाउनलोड इन्स्टॉल करायचं आहे? ज्याकडे लॅपटॉप्स वगैरे आहे त्यांनी डाउनलोड करून इन्स्टॉल करा आणि प्रॅक्टिस करू शकता तुम्ही. आहे का कोणाकडे लॅपटॉप? हॅलो, लॅपटॉप आहे का नाही कोणाकडे? Voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am a simple question I'm asking. कोणाकडे लॅपटॉप आहे का नाहीये?
आहे सर.
असं थोडं बोलत चालतंय मध्ये. Otherwise I feel that I am disconnected from your class. It is installing. And it is when we install that, it has some examples on chip that if we go to the examples from that software, We can take an example also. But it's easy always that we should not understand what the code written by other person. So we'll go with our way only. That's the code for that. So first we'll perform the arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, and the multiplication. So let it install. So I'll show it here. So we have the addition means first instruction, add a comma hash data, meaning is that we have the addition and result will always store in the accumulator. A means what? Accumulator registers. B is the B register. It will store in the A registers. So add a comma rn means we have written the instruction there now. R3 plus A. So any register can be added with the accumulator and result by default in the accumulator itself. A comma, add a comma direct means what? Direct memory address can be taken and that will be added with the accumulator. So we'll get the next memory address for that. And next is called as indirect addressing, that is add a comma at the rate RI. So when we're coming at the rate, meaning is that contents of this R1 registers will be added with the A registers and that will perform the addition. So we have the addition, simple addition here, and here is addition with the carry. The previous instruction, if the carry is generated, and if you add C is equal to A comma data. So new accumulator value will be becomes A plus data value plus accumulator plus carry. That is meaning of that. Then simply mul is there, division is there, that we have to perform the instructions. So take this instruction. Next, after that movement instruction, write down next arithmetic instructions and take this part only. That next part will see when we perform the instructions. Next, write down arithmetic instruction and take the first. I will dictate that part. Add a comma hash data. Done. Next instruction, arithmetic instruction. In that, first add. So you can see here it is written mnemonics. Mnemonics is what? Add. What action report take? Add correct. Control will understand that what he want to add that. What he will add? A. What is instruction is there? A comma hash data. Means accumulator will get value of what? A plus what is data is coming. Data means what? Any 8-bit data. 02, 04, 05, 10, 11, 10 up to the maximum 256. Is FF 002 FF maximum data. Return the first instruction. Add a comma hash data. Hello.
Yes.
So that is meaning that add a comma hash data. We have to write description also. So accumulator A will get the A plus data. So by default, A plus data will be stored in the accumulator itself. That is meaning of that. We have to write description also. Sometimes questions coming in exam for 4-5 marks. Explain the following instructions. Add C or sub, other also jump, ANL, all that part. So we have to write this example and then it's a explanation. Second instruction, add a comma RN, meaning is that accumulator will get value A plus RN. RN means what? Any registers. N indicates any register. R1, R2, R3, R0 to R7. Then write down add C. Add C, a comma hash data. Meaning is that accumulator get the value A plus data plus carry. Written. Return up to this, add C.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So based on this, we'll perform the practical. It is finished now. Just finish. So after installation, we'll get the some message finish. It will take to the that it's your control website, but I don't want to go there. I want to perform it. So just go to the now Kale software. I open. Once installed, you get the window like this. Is it visible? Kale micro version vision 3. Visible आएगा ये?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Just click on that. It will open the software. So just open it. So you get these different files in that. I don't want any file from that. I can close. Previous programs are there. So once I'm getting this, what is the next task? Go to the project. So we have to go to the project and build a new. Okay, this thing will not be okay. You are going to remember, but we can take the points like this. Once we open the software, what is the next task? Go to the project. Actually, we'll go in the help now. We'll get all this thing here. Microvision help money. You'll get all these things, how to open, how to write the new code, all these things. Clear to me? Once software is open, what is the next task? Go to the project. How to use the software? I'm explaining that part. लेता का तुमसे करता है परत? Because I explained that when students are coming in the college and they were in the college only, but once they have given the separate PC in the lab and then I told to perform the practical, they are not able to open the. They are able to open software, but where to go, how to bring the new file, how to add the file, they are always going to be forget that thing part. Means thing is that they are not serious about the practicals. घेऊन घ्यायचं का हे procedure?
हाँ सर सांगा तुम्ही.
हाँ चलो. Once software is open, first task is what? Go to new project. Return. Click on that. So I can store this project anywhere. Huh? So I'll store at my location. I'll store in the E drive. I have the MC folder. So you can store anywhere as per your choice. By default, you go in the C drive. So MC folder, I'll make the new folder in that. So this is for the new folder creation. So I'll put MCA practical. So we'll understand that practical. And once it is open, just double click on that and give the file name. So you can give any file name, roll number, all these things. So I'll put HT values. It will be file name for that. So after opening the new software, sorry, after going to go to the project, next task what? Give the project name. In any location, location sharing, you will get that thing. Give the project name. So project name काय ते आपल्याला कळते कुठलं देऊ शकतो मी ABCD काय anything. Over. Give the project name over. Then save. Just click on the save button. G over.
Yes, sir.
I'll repeat part. Once software is open, go to the project, select new project, then give the name to the project and click on the save button. Once save button will click, we'll get this window like this. Okay, so after that we need to select the device. After save button over, next step, third step. Go to the @mail. So I'm selecting the @mail from the database, not bus. From the database, we have to go click on the @mail, and from @mail we have a series is that. So as I said that 8051 we don't have the controller in the manufacturing, but we are learning that is the basic controller 8051. So we have the 80 531, all this thing 8751, 8951. So out of that, I'll select the 89C51 RD2. You can select anyone, but RD2 is the better device for that. Okay, so just click on the Atmel 89C51 RD2 device, and that I will select it here. Third step मध्ये लिहा, go to Atmel and select the device. Go to Atmel and select the device AT89C51 RD2. Go to Atmel and select the device AT. It is for that initial two letters for the Atmel company only. Yeah? AT89C51 RD2. Too many things are there in that, but we're going with the Atmel series. We have the Philips, Zilog, Motorola. Too many companies are there to manufacture the 805 controller. Done. Return the third step. Select the device 89C51 RD2.
Yes.
So just we have to write here now. Click on that. Next button is what? Next. Select device 89C51 RD2 and press OK button. And press OK button. So after that, we'll get window like this. Just click on the S. Fourth step is what? Just click on the S button. Startup file, just click on the S. I clicked on. So you'll find it now. Here is my device 89C51. Okay. Means this target is created, and that we have the device. On the right click, just option target, we can see here. So we have the 89C51 device. This device series. Okay. It comes here, then that 89C51 will perform our operations. Over up till now, fourth step over. Just click on the S button. Next.
Oh.
Fifth step, go to file. Go to file. Click on the new button. New means new file I am taking. So directly Control N will be always used for that. Shortcut I am telling also. Control N is showing here also. Go to file. Click on the new file. Should I click? Okay. So we have the editor window here. So I'm getting here editor window. Go to file. Click on the new file. Then again go to file and save as. Now we have created the file. Here getting by default name text. So I'll write here now save as. Go to file. Next step, we can write down. Go to file. Next time again, after writing the fifth step, sixth step, go to file and save as this file by your name. Not your name. So what we are performing? So I am performing the arithmetic operations. So I'll write here what? Arithmetic operation. Step number 5 is over. Hello. My voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
What is the fifth step? Go to the file and select new file. Correct now?
Sir.
Sixth number. Again, go to the file and save as. Again, go to the file and save as. So save as means what? We have to give the what was the file created, any name. So आता जे आपण टास्क करणार आहे, काय करणार आहे? Addition, subtraction, arithmetic operation. That's why I written the name arithmetic operation. हे पण खूप मोठं झालं now. You can give the small name. And dot I am using the ASM. ASM stands for what? Assembly language. So write down next step 6 number. Go to the file and save as by any name or action name or task name dot asm file by using dot asm file, and just click on the save. Go to save as, give the file name by using dot asm and click on the save button. So you can understand, in MCA project I have the file name arithmetic operation dot asm. Clear?
Yes.
Now 7th step, right click on the source group here on this here, right click on the source group, go to the add files to the source group, right click on the source group and go to the add files and click on that. 7th number, right click on the source group and go to the add files and click it. Done?
Yes.
So once we perform that 7th step, we'll get window like this. So in that window, we have to go for the all files selection here. And let's see here, what was the name given? Arithmetic operation. Just click on that. It will come here there. Okay. Next step, 8th step. Click on the file name given .asm. Click on the file name given .asm. Once we click and click on the add button, then click on the add button. So I'll add it. I click on that. By default, the file is added now. You can see here, my file is added here now. Okay. Once this file added, our task is over. And then write the code and execute it. Next step, 9th, write the code. 10th step, write the code or program. And 10th step, execute operation. 9th step, write the program or the code. Write the code or program. And last, 10th number, execute the code or program. Write the code and execute. The 10th number is a execute the code or program. Okay, that is also not difficult. This is the first time that we're using. It may feel difficult, but once you're doing the practice, things are very, very easy for you. Okay. Is it okay? Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we're writing that our code practicals. So always we have to start with the org 000h. I'm writing O. org 00h. Always try to understand what is the data I'm giving, data value, entering 1 to 9 number, 0 number. Always show by the pink color here. Okay. Then keep some lines here. Or was the instruction we are using here? आपण जे घेतलेले आहेत पहिले इन्स्ट्रक्शन एक कोड इथला बघा स्लाइड वरती, तो सांगा मला. हा कोड काय घेतला आपण हे सांगू नका, पहिलं सेकंड, थर्ड आणि फोर्थ सांगा. हे कोण सांगते मला? कळलं ना काय सांगायचं? सेकंड इन्स्ट्रक्शन, थर्ड आणि ते फोर्थ सांगायची मला. हा, कोण सांगताय? हॅलो, सांगते का नाही कोण? का बोलता येत नाही कोणाला? हा, हॅलो, वॉइस इज ऑडिबल? हॅलो,
Yes, sir.
मी काय विचारतोय? If write H here, doesn't write H, doesn't matter. You can write small capital, doesn't matter. This is my first instruction. move a comma hash 0 to h. So I can put comment also here like this. What is comment? A will get the value 0 to. Meaning is that. Second instruction कहाँ है? महेश. Move R3 comma
H07H.
hash 07h. H चालतं नाही चालतं, doesn't matter. काय meaning आहे याचं? कमेंट दिले तर चालतं नाही चालतं बरं का. मी तुम्हाला स्टार्टिंगला काय कर कमेंट लिहायचंच. So you should understand that things. That's why. Small letter, capital letter doesn't matter. Here. दोन्ही भी चालते हैं. Capital, small दोन्ही चालते हैं. 7. Next काय है? Add a comma R3. Correct ना?
Yes, sir.
So that will give what? A is equal to A plus R3. So that will be 9. Correct ना? आणि लास्टला फक्त आपल्याला काय लिहायचं एंड लिहायचं एंड इज फॉर आपला कोड संपला कंट्रोलर हाऊ विल अंडरस्टँड कंट्रोलर प्रोग्राम पुढे एंड झाला का नाहीये सो लेट अंडरस्टँड दॅट्स व्हाय वी नीड टू राइट द एंड देयर सो एंड मीनिंग इज दैट it will end the code here and we have seen the calculation by using your brain so 2 plus 1 will be 9 let's see how the control will be performed it chalo just go on the debug so we have the debug here and stop debug option is there so click on that start debug so to show the code values greater than doesn't matter we can click okay so can't open the file and I'm getting the error here let's see what is the error ASM assign break disable break enable at start it will create this kind of error here but we need to resolve that doesn't matter I know it how to do it so debug out so I'll go to one more time new project so I'll keep new other name SSS step project device is there below that no. These are the number very companies are there I want to select at mail at Nancy 51 series so once we perform the we have the practice it's very easy for us okay I don't build that's why next step is what I have to build then it will perform them so previous was correct also but I forgot to build it no issue then go for debug start okay let us see so in the result window we are seeing that what registers R0 to R7 for all the banks bank 0 bank 1 bank 2 bank 3 and special registers are A B stack pointer PC you can see that by default article na Shivani I don't know I don't know
sir.
Shivani article na so what was the PC function PC प्रोग्राम काउंटर्स फंक्शन काय असतंय?
It holds the next address.
It holds the or it points the address of the next instruction.
Yes.
Okay, so by default I'm starting at what? Or the 00. It holds what? 00 now. So once I press on that run button, it will go for the next address. Okay, so we'll perform the step by step, so I'll understand that. So we have the option F5 to perform the step by step operation, that is F5 only. F5 run step for 11. So press F11. Let's understand that what is action. So at 00 is there, it will come for the next address. See what is the value of PC now, changing from the 2 because next address location is there, this instruction. That's why it is coming now. PC is holding the we are at the 1 instruction, but PC holding the address 02. It point the next address of that. Clear now, Shivani?
Sir.
पहिले कुठं आपण 00 ला होतो. Once I press the button F5 मी रनिंग चालू केला आपण, तर आता कॉन्टी कुठला ऍड्रेसला? फर्स्ट ऍड्रेस आहे 001 ला आहे, बट पीसी होल्ड द नेक्स्ट ऍड्रेस ऑफ व्हॉट? मूव R3,0#7H. त्याचा ऍड्रेस तो होल्ड करतोय. नाउ वी कॅन सी इन द ए रजिस्टर व्हॉट इज द कंटेंट्स. ए मध्ये काय आलं? ऍट 1 लोकेशन 001 ला काय होतं? instruction, this instruction move A,#02, meaning is that A will get the value 2. We can see in result A मध्ये किती भेटला आपल्याला? What is value? दिसते का हे?
Yes, sir.
It is interesting actually, but you should respond that. And 0x02 is written means what? It is the hex value. Try to understand that because it will understand only hex or binary format. 0x is for the hex value. So I'll press the F11 button. So now R3 will be get the 7. You can check here. R3 will be 7 value. So F11. See what is R3 value? 7. Means after execution of this, R3 becomes 7 value. Clear? कळलं का सर्वांना आता how it executes?
Yes, sir.
Now PC holds the next address. You can see 04 is now coming at the 4 point now. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we are at the 3 now, but PC hold the address 4. 4 at the end. End will come done there. After that, it will become to 0. So I'll press the next button. Now you can see at the next station add A,3 means what? 2 plus 7 will be 9. So A will becomes now change from the 2 to the 9. So press F9. F11 C value. Got it? So perform the addition and result will be 09. And PC go for the next address, that is giving the 05 after for that. Done? Clear? कळलं सर्वांना हे?
Yes, sir.
And the PC is holding the next address 05. Nop is coming means what? No code is there after that line. Meaning is that after this no code is there. We take it and write the result of that. Is it interesting? Interesting आहे का नाही आहे? Hello. इंटरेस्टिंग आहे का नाही? Was it audible?
Yes, sir.
Devdekar, have you taken this? Janvi. Hello. Janvi, I am audible to you.
Here,
Actually, it has a problem with network.
Are
So
Janvi,
I get disconnected in between.
to me every time.
Yeah, I'm taking it, but I'm just telling you a problem. I get disconnected in between.
And that's why I accepted a request and I taken in admitted you in the class. And this reason I will not hear afterwards. Same thing is there. You're living in the hostel, you are in the college, and you're telling that I'm facing the problem network. Okay, sometimes it will be there, no issue. I can understand practical cases, but not every time. And thing is that I'm asking how taken this, and you are telling that I'm facing the problem. My simple question is that have you taken this example in a notebook? घेतलं लिहून तुम्ही हे?
Yes, I have taken.
So today, up to today evening, I want all the notes of your from chapter 1 to 3. And you should send me the PDF file of that on the mail or through the WhatsApp. And don't tell Naomi I have forgotten. I will not give excuse for that. Done, everyone? Vaishnavi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Now you can tell me any value. I'll take that and we'll go with that. So I'll remove this part and we'll go with the any example. So which perform the addition of any numbers. Chalo. सांगा मला पटपट चला काय करायचंय? Move. कुणी काय नंबर सांगा चला पटपट. I'll take any register number. I'll take R0, comma hash. Number सांगा कुठला घ्यायचा? सांगता का नाही? हॅलो बघा नंबर सांगायला सुद्धा मुलांना हे होतं प्रॉब्लेम येते. 2 बिट ऍडिशन करायचे आपल्याला एनी 8 बिट नंबर्स. Let us see in the PSW has seen that the carry flag will be generated. So I'll take the data value 1010. That will be 0A. A means what? 10, hexadecimal value. So by default it will be H, no issue. Then move A comma hash. So A plus 15. That will be the next number 16. So here I need to take 1H. Okay, we'll generate the okay. So after I'll generate the just auxiliary carry flag. So it's 0 for FFH. So we need to add 0 when you're taking the hex numbers. So I am taking here 0 here, meaning is that if you not take 0, it will take the alpha values. Is F what we send them in the ABCD format. When you put the 0 here, it indicates the it's a hex value. Okay, then add A comma R0, then end. Done. Take this next code, next example. Done. Always write the comments. I want comment on this. Will tell me comments. Hello. Will tell me comments. First comment. कौन सांगता है? Number 5, Sawan. She is there. Who is roll number 5? Hello. Who is roll number 5? Roll number 5 is not there. Number 4, Binge. Binge is there. Number 10, Joshi. I still remember the numbers, huh? Joshi is there, Joshi. Number 4 is there, ना?
Yes, sir.
मी बघल्यानंतर चेक करता का तुम्ही? का मॅडम? काय विचारलं तुम्ही सांगा रोल नंबर 4. रोल नंबर 4, बिंगे. Are you listening? श्रुति ना? सृष्टि बिंगे. सृष्टि, am I audible to you? सृष्टि, I'll put absent. If someone is not replying, I'll put absent directly. Arti Bandekar, are you there? Arti is not there. She is absent. Number 1.
Yes, sir.
4 वेळेस विचारलं तर रिप्लाय करता का? Yes, sir. What was my question I asked? आठवतंय का? Hello. What was my question? Bandekar. Arti Bandekar, are you replying or not?
Yes, sir.
काय क्वेश्चन होता माझा? त्यासाठी मोबाईलच्या समोर बसायचं असतं ऐकण्यासाठी. हे माझं मला हे येते ना शिकवायसाठी नाही मी इथं. आय एम हिअर टू टीच यू व्हॉट इज यू डोंट नो. हा, तर ओपन करायवर कॅमेरा शो मी नोटबुक. मला सगळं चालणार नाही असं वाटतंय मला. हा, ओपन युअर कॅमेरा, शो मी युअर कॅमेरा फास्ट. बंडकर.
Yes, sir. Comment. What is comment विचारलेला तुम्ही?
मग एवढा कसा वेळ लावता रिप्लाय करायला? Be the serious. If I finding like the students are taking the discounted these online classes, I will put that student whole semester absent. तुम्हाला कोणाला कंप्लेंट करायचे करा. Doesn't matter to us me in anything. Okay. What if things are going in the class? Be serious about that. And when I'm asking, should be attentive in the class. उगाच कुठे मोबाईल ठेवायचा आणि गप्पा मारत बसायचं हे काय त्यासाठी नाहीये. And don't feel that the exam may be online or offline. Therefore, something you're getting that. इथं एचआरला विचारून बघा कसा फीडबॅक येते एचआर लोक कंपनी येतात प्लेसमेंटला. पोरांना अच बच माहित नसते. हा, बंडकर सांगा चला आता कमेंट विचारलेत काय सांगाल मग R0 मध्ये काय होईल? आफ्टर द फर्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन इथं
RO is less than or equal to OX.
इक्वल टू नाहीये, ती गेट्स व्हॅल्यू आहे. Meaning of this is what? R0 will get the value. Its meaning मी सत्य सांगले ना, ते ओ नाहीये, 0 आहे लक्षात ठेवा. R0 will get the value. Less than equal to नाही meaning त्याचं. It's symbol for the gates value. R0 becomes काय? लवकर सांगा.
0H.
0H ते आहे का व्हॅल्यू इथं? काय मेन्शन केले मी? ए पण आहे ना त्यामध्ये?
Yes, sir. 0OH. 0AH.
एच मिनिंग काय आहे त्या? ते फक्त ते महेश देशमुख आणि विष्णू देशमुख लेक्चर नाहीये. दोघांनी रिप्लाय करायचं आणि बाकीच्याने आपलं चालू ठेवायचं त्यांचं काय असेल ते टास्क. काय? चलो नंबर 12 ऑप्शन आणि सिरियस अबाउट दिस ना हिअर आफ्टर. मी ते सांगितलं बघा याचं मिनिंग काय आहे. मी ते while writing the code also written 1 4 2 4. So next number 3 is there. I'll ask. I'm wasting my time.
Yes.
What is meaning of A here, madam? Its meaning काय आहे? देशमुख रिपीट मी सांगितलं ना याचं मिनिंग काय आहे? Both Deshmukh, Vaishnavi and Mahesh. Huh? Whether I told this or not?
Yes, sir.
सांगितलं होतं ना? The thing is that you are not about serious about that things. So A is what I told that whenever I'm counting 0 to 9 numbers, that is okay. But when we call the higher numbers, these 3 numbers, we are writing the hexadecimal format. So 10 I am taking the value. 10 means what? A value. Correct. This is hexadecimal value. A means 10 in decimal. F means what? 15. So I'm taking here FF is what? 8-bit numbers I am taking here, and that I am adding here now. Okay, so R0 will get the value A means 10. Okay, and the register A will get the value what? FF. FF is what? 255. Check in our calc. Do the calc. This hexadecimal value in the decimal format, and then add it value. Add A comma R0. You can see that we'll get the flag. So because addition will be greater than the 8-bit numbers, and that we want to see that. Let's see. Just click on the debug button. Start debug operation and press F11. First F11 pressing R0 gets value A. You can see here 0x A. Then second time F11 goes value A equal to FF. So R0 A value and A becomes 0 FF 55. Then third time you can check the value of result A. See 09, the addition of that number. But we can see the contents in the PSW registers. You can see that auxiliary and the carry flag is going to be raised. Clear? See here. This is I think after the architecture diagram we have seen the PSW status registers properly, and this value of that auxiliary carry and the CY carry flag both are set to 1. Why this 1? Let's understand that. We'll go with here and just perform the operation. What I'm performing? 0A means value is 101. Sorry, first 4 times 0 and then 1010. Correct now? Meaning of 0A H. This is in the binary format I'm writing here. And the second is 0FF is equal to all ones. Correct now? Here is a 4 and here is a 4. So just do the binary addition, so you'll understand that also. If you perform the binary addition, 1 plus 1, sorry, 0 plus 1, 1. कौन करता है? Spell that here below also. I'll take this upside. So I need to come from the LSB to MSB. Chalo. 0 plus 1 addition, simple OR operation, 1. After that, 1 plus 1, 0. Correct, but carry is coming here. 1 plus 1, 0, and the carry is coming. So that again 1 plus 1, 0. So again carry is coming at this moment. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give the answer 1. Means 1 plus 1, 0 plus carry 1. That will be the 1 here. So that's why this lower nibble will be 1010. The carry is coming here. I can, we know that the carry is adding here by default 1 plus 1, that carry 0. Again that carry is coming 1 plus 0. Sorry, 1 plus that carry coming again 0. Again carry is generated. Then 1 plus that carry 0. Again the carry is generated. 1 plus carry 0. So by default here will come the 4 times 0 and the carry will be generated. So I can say along with the CY flag is equal to 1. The same time, so from the lower nibble at this moment also I got the carry. So auxiliary carry ay it is written also 1. Is it clear? कळलं सर्वांना? Is it understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
This is operation of that. So answer addition, I got the 9 number. You can say 09. Okay, but the same time the cy and the auxiliary carry flag is going to be set. Clear? This is our result of that, and we have seen this. Done? कळलं सर्वांना हे? Just write down the operation, and after this addition, write the explanation of that. What is addition and what is the result is there? Everyone. I think you written the code, but write the comments and it's a result along with the carry and all this thing. And you take this also. What is written here? This addition. Like this, you can perform addition there nearby the program. You have taken this? Hello, have you taken this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the same thing as we said that we can perform the subtraction also. Okay, so take the next code here, and we'll perform the separate operation of subtraction of any 2-bit 8-bit numbers. Write down next program. Subtract 2 8-bit numbers. Subtract 2 8-bit numbers. And how to take numbers? We have to use this instruction move. So any registers, I will take R5 now. मी कुठला यूज शकता बरं का registers. Okay, so I'm taking here move a comma R5 comma number, I will take 08. If I written the age, doesn't matter. If not writing, by default its value will be X. Then move a comma hash. Okay, in the previous case hash is missing, that's why it will take otherwise memory address. Hash 04. And then here I need to write sub b. So rather than R0, R5. Write down this code is there for this. Taken this everyone?
Yes, sir.
चलो कौन सांगते रिजल्ट मला? Will explain this code now. Except Mahesh and Vaishnavi. दुसरं कोण सांगते मला? गौरी, roll number 10, Joshi. Joshi is there?
Yes, sir.
सांगा चला मला काय होईल ऑपरेशन. फास्ट. पहिले सांगा कळलं का नाही तुम्हाला जोशी? काय म्हणताय? व्हॉइस नॉट ऑडिबल.
नाही समजलं सर.
नाही समजलं? तुम्ही ते पहिल्या एक्झाम्पलला काय विचारलं मी विचारतो ना, अंडरस्टूड झालं की नाही अंडरस्टूड झालं, तुम्ही रिप्लाय काय केलं नाही मग? गौरी मला कळलं नाही तर मग मी त्याला पण विचारलं की नाही हॅव अंडरस्टूड दिस रिप्लाय काय केलं नाही मग त्या टायमाला म्हणजे मी प्रत्येक विचारलं तर सांगायचं मला कळलं नाही म्हणून आणि काय नाही कळलं सांगा मला चला मला फक्त मिनिंग सांगा एक्सटेन्शन काय मिनिंग आहे ते एवढं अवघड नाही ते आता माझी लहान मुलगी आहे 5 वर्षाची ती सांगते मला सध्या काय मिनिंग आहे ते सांगितल्यानंतर आणि तुम्ही तर इंजिनिअरिंग शिकून आहात मग सध्या जोशी रिप्लाय फास्ट व्हॉट इज मिनिंग ऑफ दिस मूव काय मिनिंग असते मूवचं जोशी I'm asking to you only. जोशी I am added to you. ऐकू येते माझं बोललेलं हॅलो
येस सर.
मी काय विचारतोय
ऍक्शन ऑर कमांड.
हा मग इथे काय मिनिंग आहे मूव R5 लिहिले R5 चे मिनिंग काय येतं काय ऍक्ट होते ते बरं पहिलं मूवचं मिनिंग सांगा मूव म्हणजे काय करता येतं काउंटर काय करेल मूवचं मिनिंग काहीतरी डेटा मूव्ह करेल बरोबर की नाही जोशी जोशी डोंट वेस्ट टाइम हॅलो
येस सर.
मी इथे एस सर ओ सर हे सर ह्याला ऐकायला बसलो नाही इथं मी काय विचारलं तुम्हाला मूवचे मिनिंग काय आहे ऍक्शन वर्ड म्हणजे काय करेल तो काय मूव्ह करेल कुठून कुठे मूव्ह करेल हे सांगा मला we have here what two operands are there तेव्हा स्टार्टिंग सांगितलंय मॅडम मी हे जर असं कळत असेल तुम्ही मोबाईल ठेवून बसला असेल तर कसं सांगावर मला कळायचं देशमुख वैष्णवी इज there वैष्णवी
Yes, sir.
एक्सप्लेन करा सांगा जरा
What, sir?
मूव R5, #8 मिनिंग काय देशमुख the meaning of first instruction काय होईल
Moving R5 with 8 bit.
सोर्स कुठला आहे यामध्ये सोर्स कुठला आहे पहिलं सांगा सोर्स कुठे डेस्टिनेशन कुठं आहे
Hello, sir.
हा which is the source register
R5
R5 सोर्स आहे आणि डेस्टिनेशन कुठला आहे मग
08.
चुकी सांगितलं मॅडम आपण इथं की स्लाइड बघितली का जरा वाचा जरा काय सांगितलं तर मूव OP1, OP2 OP1 म्हणजे काय असतंय डेस्टिनेशन OP2 काय आहे सोर्स आहे OP च्या ठिकाणी काय तिथं R5 आहे OP च्या ठिकाणी काय आहे 08 आहे हेच कळतं पुढे काय कळणार आहे तुम्हाला म्हणजे व्हॉट इज कमिंग फर्स्ट इट इज अ डेस्टिनेशन ऑपरंड आणि व्हॉट इज कमिंग नेक्स्ट इज अ सोर्स ऑपरंड सोर्स पासून डेटा घेतो आपण आणि डेस्टिनेशनला पाठवतो मिनिंग इज दॅट मूव काय करते sending shifting the data this data from the source into the R5 so R5 becomes value 08 so R5 register hold the value 08 is the meaning of that clear
Yes, sir.
सेकंड सांगा मग तसंच होता मूवचं नेक्स्ट इन्स्ट्रक्शन
A destination आणि 04 source.
करेक्ट मग ए ला काय भेटेल मला
A ला 2 destination.
No. After execution of this instruction, what is value of A register? A मध्ये काय भेटेल?
04.
हा, हे expected आहे. That I'm asking. So control will shift the 04 data into the A register. Okay, and then next is what? So right here, R5 is equal to not R5 will get the value 08. Then we have A register value will get 04 data. Then subtraction. काय होणार subtraction मध्ये? नावातच त्याच्या. It will perform the subtraction between A minus R5 with the carry also. So A will get the value A minus R5. That will give 8 minus 4. That value will be till 4 and that will be end it. Clear? कळलं सर्वांना आता? जोशी कळाला का आता?
Yes, sir.
बरं. आज आहे टास्क आहे
Yes,
बरोबर, टास्क देणार आहे मी. Sure. Then again, once we read the code, always we have to go for the building option, build it, rebuild. Some syntax errors coming. 6 number line, sub B. Okay, huh.
Sir.
बोला की.
R5 minus A येत नाही का?
नाही ते रिव्हर्स सबट्रॅक्शन नाही ते. Okay, this minus actually आता A मध्ये काय व्हॅल्यू आपली 8 आहे. 8 minus 4 will come there by default. If you talk about the R processor, we have the R reverse subtraction also, RAC. This R5 minus A also can be done. इथं कारण चुकलं आपलं एरर काय तर इथं कमेंट टाकली आपण त्यामुळे. So this need to be understood by you people while writing the code. So now error is 0, warning is 3, doesn't matter. See now. So press F11 step by step. See that the R5 gets value 8. Aleg R5 मध्ये 8. Is it visible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
आणि डबल प्रेस झाल्यामुळे A मध्ये पण 4 आलेला आहे. So A also we have the 4. One more time we'll press F8. We can see the result also becomes 4. Why it is not executed step by step? Reset out. Reset button also. F11. Where is the ending directly? And the PSW can check that error is sorry. Carry flag, no parity. Parity showing it there. Huh? So answer is 4 means answer will be 0, 1, 0, 0. So number of ones will be 1. That's why it is a even odd parity. Indicates only one is there, odd parity. Okay. Is it clear? कळलं सर्वांना? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, we can perform the multiple operations also. Directly can write mul here, mul AB. So rather than taking the data in that R5, so I can take the data into P register and I'll write directly here mul. Mul means A comma B. So that will perform the multiplication. Mul AB. I think it's not required to use the comma. Done. 8 4 चा किती? Answer is 32. Check in the hex value in the cal C. What is meaning of 32 in the decimal converted into the hex format? That's the answer. So A B value, B register gets value 8. Then A gets value 4. After multiplication, C 20 becomes the value of the result. That is 32. Let's check in the cal C. येथे बघा तुम्हाला कॅल्सी वरती कन्वर्जन एक्स बायनरी बायनरीच एक्स मध्ये डेसिमल मध्ये येते का माहित नाहीये. सो व्यू प्रोग्रामर what is value 32 decimal. Okay, so I need to enter in the hex format. Hex 20. Clear? कळलं सर्वांना? अरे कळले का नाहीये? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So we have performed addition, subtraction, and the multiplication. So 8 4 चा 32. 30 means in the decimal value is 32, but in the hex we show the 20 value means 22. 20 value is there. And how to check all these things I shown here. So at last code for multiplication, then we'll stop it here. Shano. Hey Shano. गए. ठीक. Done. Over. Comment is different here. Don't write this comment. So this is changing now A into B. I'm writing here A into B. That will give 32. 32 in the decimal format. 10. 10 indicates the decimal syntax for that. And this is in the hex 20. So in the 16 on that here, it means hex. It is a concept that clear करून घ्या ना please. And here is not R5, this will be B. Done. Hello. Over. Have you taken this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any problem at all? कोणा काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे?
No, sir.
Okay. So take the screenshot of this. I want everybody should take this instruction set in notebook and example of each instruction you have to write down. Now, this is our today's task. At least for the movement, not that push pop exchange, doesn't matter. Just for this movement instruction from this to this. Taken. Homework काय meaning आहे? So what we perform data processing instruction and the arithmetic. The example of each instruction we have read. What is the example of each? Simple. Move a comma. Data is written here, generalized form. Take the data value in that 040303. Then comments on that same format. You will get the 08 data like that. The second instruction, move a comma RN. So RN data cancel the R1 R2. That will shift in the A register like that. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So from this to this, I need the as a homework, and the second is for arithmetic. After this division, addition C sub C mul. आपण बघितलं आता प्रॅक्टिकली हे डिव्हिजन राहिले फक्त डिव्हिजन करू शकतो. मी काय एवढा अवघड नाहीये. A, B असं वापरायचं आहे आणि त्याचं डिवाइड होईल. So here divide in what? A divided by B, that is important. Notice question is coming as in carry. नाही सॉरी बी मध्ये तुमचा रिमाइंडर राहील आणि क्वेश्चन मध्ये तुमचं जे आउटपुट आहे ए मध्ये येईल ते. Have you taken the screenshot, everyone?
Yes, sir.
And today I want after evening this homework example. It must be sent to me. Devdikar, chapter number 1, chapter number 2 screenshot of that complete by putting roll number on each page. Otherwise, I'll not allow you for the next class on the Monday. And today I'm putting yesterday lecture and today's lecture. You are absent for my lecture. Please do it seriously. Why I'm in the little bit stick here? Because these instructions are important to write the further course. Okay. Once we written through, we'll understand in better way. That is my intention. Okay. Is it okay? Mahesh ji, Kambuya.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So we'll stop it here today. We have taken 2 hours completely and we have थोडं प्रॅक्टिस करा केल सॉफ्टवेअर जे सांगितले मी त्यावरती. इट इज ऍक्च्युअली इंटरेस्टिंग. कारण मी आज काय शिकवलंय परत तुम्ही केल सॉफ्टवेअर जर नाहीच केलं तर काही कळणार नाहीये परत. हे लक्षात ठेवा. कीप द नोशन्स इंटेन्शन व्हेरी व्हेरी क्लिअर. शिकायचं का न शिकायचं हे कळलं ना संपलं. चलो put column numbers fast. 1
Present.
2 absent. 3
3 present.
4 absent. 5 absent. 6
Present.
7
Present.
8 9 10.
Present, sir.
Immediately you should speak it. Column numbers fast. After 9.
11.
10 is there.
Yes, sir.
So next.
11. 12.
13.
Fast.
14.
15 is not there. Chalo next.
16.
17.
18.
19.
20. 21.
22. 23.
Next. 24 absent.
25,
6
27.
28,
29,
30
31,
32.
32,
33,
Fast. 34 35 36 36 absent. 7 8
39 present,
40
40 present,
41.
40 present,
Okay, 41 42
present, sir.
43
43, present.
44
45,
6
46,
Go ahead,
47,
48,
Hmm.
48,
Yes. 49
50,
51. वाघमोडे तुम्ही अजून मला नोटबुक स्क्रीनशॉट पाठवलं नाही त्यामुळे तुम्ही अब्सेंट आहेत. 51 अब्सेंट.
Sir, 52 is present.
येस ओंकार इज प्रेझेंट.
Sorry, 42, sir.
42 इज प्रेझेंट. काय रे मध्ये थांबला होता.
Sir, आवाज आला नाही तुम्हाला मी दिलती पण.
चलो ओके. 52 इज देअर. चिंगाडे अब्सेंट. वाघमोडे प्रत्युष ऐकलं काय सांगितलं मी.